food quiz, and I'm pretty sure a lot of people you are missing those food at your home, around your streets, and yeah, and those songs added on to your hunger. I'm really sorry for that, but yeah, I hope you all enjoy. There are 12 questions that uh, on that level. So yeah, so let's just so again just to talk about the page. So we are doing live Facebook Live mostly every alternate day. Uh, Day before yesterday, I did a film quiz. Now I'm back with a street food quiz, Indian street food quiz. So yeah, I'm pretty sure a lot of you are missing that. So am I. Yeah. So yeah, this was the last day's quiz. Yeah, let's begin, Roderick. And this is the uh, last quiz, and we'll just discuss the answers quickly, and then we'll move on to today's quiz. So here was the first question. So the answer to this was Mammootty. I was looking for Mammootty. Basically, Mammootty is the guy who played Ambedkar in his biopic. So that is Patel and Paresh Rawal who played Patel in his biopic Sardar. Then Sachin Khedekar played Bose in Bose the Forgotten Hero. And then I wanted Mammootty playing B.R. Ambedkar in Ambedkar, made by Ketan Mehta. Oh, sorry, Jabbar Patel. I'm very sorry. Ketan Mehta made Sardar. Jabbar Patel made uh, Ambedkar. Next is this. So this is Kamal Hassan. And okay, Rajoshida pointed out he was not the first Indian actor. It was Chiranjeevi, but he was one of the first. So thank you, Rajoshida, for correcting me. Then is this song okay? So I thought this was a little tough as well because yeah. So what happened? I can just tell you ki if you just see the third line, it says in the service of your greatness. I can just tell you from where I can get it. These are the lines, Pesh hai khidmat Ali Janab. So this is Binte Dil. This is the literal translation of the song Binte Dil. This is fourth question. You can't watch it because there's no longer a single reel of the film that is available. All got burned in the NFAI burn that happened in '93. So this is Alamara. This is Alamara, the first Indian talkie. So then this is question number 5. Who else but the legendary, the evergreen Uttam Kumar? So this is Arun Kumar Chatterjee, already also known as Uttam Kumar. No, Nishit, the second answer is Kamal Hassan. Moving on. I already gave you his surname, that was Kohli, and I played a song from Veer Zara. So this is late Madan Mohan. So this is Madan Mohan Kohli, or simply known as Madan Mohan. Sorry for the lag in between, guys. I'm sorry. So this is Madan Mohan, whose father was the chief accountant and founder of Bombay Talkies. This is none other than Usha Mangeshkar. This is none other than Usha Mangeshkar. So four sisters, Lata, Asha, Usha, Meena. This is the third sister, Usha Mangeshkar. Okay, so this I have heard a lot of compliments for this song. Thank you for all those compliments. So Aga Le Lag Ja had the song Jane Tu Ya Jane Na. And Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na had a song Pappu Kaan Dance Wala, which is the name of the third film. Then is question number 9. I know he looks very, very handsome, and if you just put some beard and some lesser hair on his head, you will know the answer. So this is none other than Shekhar Kapoor. Yes, the legendary Shekhar Kapoor, of course, who moved on to Hollywood to make movies like Elizabeth and everything. Moving on, question number 10. Oh, this was interesting. I want to play the song so that you all can hear this. So this is where you can hear all of them in together. This whoever I've given answers to, I have all told them this. So this is the answer. Yeah. So
मेरे जीवन साथी प्यार किए जा जवानी दीवानी खूबसूरत जिद्दी पड़ोसन सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम.
so this is the place where you can listen to all these titles together. This is a song from the movie Ek Duje Ke Liye, and this is where you hear all these movies together. This is where you listen to this. So, yep. I know this was very weird, but yeah, I like this question. Moving on, this is question number 11. So, this is none other than Sadashiv Amrapurkar, the guy who got his first ever Filmfare Award for Best Performance in a Negative Role for the movie Sadak. Sadak. No, Shreyas, you don't answer here. You please write down your answers and send it as messages on this page. So, Sadak 2 is on its way, and yeah. Then is question number 12. 12 is Lalita Pawar. If you see Lalita Pawar, she's always done character roles, but initially she wanted to be a heroine like any other actress. Question number 13 was this. This is Prithviraj Kapoor, the Papa Kapoor. So this is Prithviraj Kapoor. Moving on, this is Raj Kapoor, and the last one was Shashi Kapoor. So the connect being to the last three things were these are the family members of Kapoor Khandan who have been awarded the prestigious Dadasaheb Phalke Award. So basically Kapoor and Sons. Moving, these are the answers. So yeah, before I announce the prize for like the last quiz, we are very, very sorry. So Rishabh's phone had an auto update and he lost all data. So he could not get all the messages that he's got. Just to be fair and square to all of you, we had some answers, but we did not have all the answers. So please, and we are very, very sorry. But yeah, so he has lost all data. So just to be fair, square, you all are the winners. We all are like winners for us. There was a big, mishap, and I know you all are winners for us. And there was a big turnout. It was a record turnout. There were 37 people online that time. So yes, thank you to every one of you. So let's start today's quiz. Question number one is this. Please don't answer here. Please write down your answers in a piece of paper or write it on a document and then send it to us. Shonak, yes, I know a lot of people have sent answers in messengers, but we are not taking it in just to be fair and square to everybody. So I'm really sorry, guys, but we are not counting any scores this time. We will just keep in mind. Anyways, there are no prizes, so yes. Okay, so this is the first question. XY literally means hot puffed rice. It is made up of puffed rice and an assortment of spices, vegetables, and chana chur or bhujia. A variation called mandakki or mandalu is a popular snack among the people of North Karnataka. It is found at fairs, festivals, marriage parties, and other social meetings. What is the common name for this easy to eat snack? Moving on, this is question number two. Prepared from soaking and grinding the yellow split gram and the Bengal gram with coriander, chili, ginger paste, asafoetida, and salt. The snack is deep fried in a wok until golden brown. Garnished with mint chutney and grated radish, it is finally served hot and sprinkled with lemon juice and chaat masala. It is named after an ideal mythological character in Uttar Pradesh and adjoining areas, and by a name related to the aforementioned named in J&K. What is the common North Indian name to this street food? Rajashida, you can send it across to me, or you can write down the answers and send it as a message to this page. Moving on, this is question number three. Eggs consist of yellowish, tightly rolled bite-sized pieces and is primarily made of gram flour and yogurt. It is readily available across India and is commonly eaten as an appetizer or snack. Many people choose to buy it from local shops rather than preparing it at home. It is sometimes served with garlic chutney. What is X, this popular one bite West Indian snack? Moving on. So the A challenge was a hoax and an internet urban legend about a non-existent social media challenge that was spread on FB and other media outlets. It was reported that children and adolescents were being enticed by a user named A to perform a series of dangerous tasks, including violent attacks, self-harm, and suicide. A also shares its name with the presiding deity of the Goa Carnival as well as a very popular street food pan India. What's the good word? So A is the good word. I want A, the good word. Moving on. Y is said to have started its life in the Nizam restaurant in Kolkata, a popular eatery founded in 1932. There are many stories about how exactly it got started. Some suggest that the hurried office commuters wanted something quick and portable to eat. Some mention British babus who were too fastidious to touch the kebab. The most likely origin is probably more mundane. What is why a perhaps very delicious way to eat your kebabs? So this is also street food in Kolkata, very popular, and now it is popular across India. So I want this street food's name. Moving on, XYs are almost like gujiyas that are khoya filled pastry shaped like empanadas. The only difference between Ys and gujiyas is that the covering or the pastry of gujia is quite thin as compared to Y. Ys are Indian hand pies filled with evaporated milk solids and mixed nuts, deep fried and dipped in sugar syrup. What is the sweet version of this popular Indian snack found mainly in Rajasthan? So I don't want the name of the savory. I want the name of the sweet version. Okay, moving on. Question number 7. X has been described as a generic Tibetan word for any soup or stew combined with noodles, also known as thentuk, gyatuk, pathuk, or dretuk. It is an Indian mountain staple street food. It is also eaten in Bhutan, where it is a type of porridge. What is X? This is the easiest, I guess. Also, please, can you write your comments as in how are the questions? Is it okay? Is it tough? Is it easy? If you want hints, please message, please comment below whether the questions are okay, they're tough, they're easy. Moving on, this was a short question. So, question number 8 is this. In the epic Mahabharata, the newly wedded Draupadi returns home to be given a task by her mother-in-law, Kunti. The Pandavas were on exile, and Kunti wanted to test if her new daughter-in-law would be able to manage with the scarce resources. So she gave Draupadi some leftover sabzi and just enough wheat dough, instructing her to make food that would satisfy the hunger of all five of her sons. It is believed that this was when the new bride invented a popular street food. Impressed with her daughter-in-law's ingenuity, Kunti blessed the dish with immortality. Which quintessential street food is this? This is question number 8, Devdev. There are question numbers, but I think we live ওইটার পিছনে লুকিয়ে গেছে. Thanks, Aditya, for that quick prompt feedback. So these are easy questions according to him. So I see a topper already in the list. Question number 9 is this. XY is the name for larger and lighter colored chickpea commonly found in the West. They are called known as Kabuli chana in Hindustani. Chana are usually replaced by eggs in most restaurants. Y is made from maida flour, water, a pinch of salt, and a leavening agent, that is yeast, mixed together by hand to make a very tight dough. Y is also visible on the Nizam's flag. What is XY? A popular Old Delhi snack or street food. So I want the name of this very, very popular Old Delhi favorite street food. I mean, you get it across Delhi, but Old Delhi is famous for this street. Second last question is the no, this is 10th. I have 12 questions today. I'm sorry. I did not want to repeat some funda, but I still managed to repeat, I think, one or two fundas. But here is the 10th question. So this delicious little dish consists of deep fried chicken that has been marinated in coriander powder, chili powder, or turmeric, salt, and ginger garlic paste. Once the chicken is fried, it is kept aside with cumin, green chilies, curry leaves, and some tomato sauce is heated in a pan with some oil. Then the still hot chicken is tossed into the pan and condiments and mixed well. So identify the South Indian non-vegetarian street food which might give a healthy competition to KFC. This is question number 10. So it can give healthy competition to KFC in every sense. So this is name this Desi KFC. Okay, moving on. AB is made of whole wheat flour and stuffed with sattu, which is ground flour powder. Cooking and serving of A is very important to realize the actual taste of this food. The best A's should be cooked in low fire of cow dung cake so that they are baked properly and the inside fillings are cooked and mixed well. The taste lies in its tough material, namely sattu. Dry sattu is mixed and chopped garlic and ginger and some Indian dry spices to give a tangy flavor. And after the A is baked in, it is broken into pieces, and hot ghee is poured all over it. It is best served with raw onions soaked in lemon and vinegar, and B, that is spicy mashed potatoes. So, what is B, which could also be a pocket friendly, wholesome meal for industrial workers? Yeah. And the last question of the quiz is this: A is a mixture of noodles, shredded cabbage, and onions, garnished with tamarind, salt, fried onions, chili flakes, garlic, and Ajinomoto seasoning. It is of Burmese origin and served by Burmese refugees working as vendors in Chennai. It may be described as being golden and gooey. What is A? A version of horseway thook. So this is again from South. So I want the name of the street food in found in Chennai. Okay, so I tried this in Chennai and this is really delicious. Let me tell you. So this was the last question. Okay, please send in your answers by 9 p.m. today. That was the time limit, Prashant. Before I end the quiz, I would like to, just say, please, if you want to conduct any quiz or, send in your questions and want someone else to conduct it because you're too shy to do it, don't shy away from making questions. At least send it to us and we can, proctor your sets. And I can guarantee you no one will ever judge you because, yes, we are all learning. I'm still learning. We are all learning. Yes, Isha, I'll rerun very quickly though. So this was 12. I wanted this Chennai delicacy, street food delicacy. Then is this whole wheat flour sattu and then Spanish mashed potatoes. Then is this Desi KFC. I want the name of this Desi KFC. Then is ninth. Ninth is an old Delhi snack or street food, popular old Delhi. Question number 8 is what street food did Draupadi invent? Then is question number 7, the generic Tibetan word for soup or stew combined with noodles. Then is question number 6. So I wanted the sweet version of the Vai that is found in Rajasthan, mainly Jodhpur, Jaisalmer. Then is question number 5. I wanted what started in Nizam restaurant in Kolkata, a perfect way to eat your kebabs. Then is question number 4. A challenge, an internet challenge, the presiding deity of Goa Carnival, and a very, very, very popular street food pan India. Then is this the yellowish, tightly rolled white side pieces and is primarily made of gram flour and yogurt. So I want its name. Then is question number 2. What is made out of soaking and grinding yellow split gram and everything? So I want the name, common North Indian name. And question number 1, back to question number 1. So it literally means hot puffed rice. So what is? So Ajanya, thank you for saying it's a yummy quiz. Samirup, you're late. The quiz is over. So here we finish the quiz, and please send in your questions, queries, or whatever you want to send on this page. So अच्छा चलता हूँ, दुआ में याद रखना, whatever. Yeah. Take care, guys, and please join us for the upcoming quizzes as well. You'll get to know as they come. Also, don't forget to like the page Home Run Quizzes. And a big shout out to Rushabh. Kudos, Rushabh, for doing this. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Take care.